In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Replit to dark mode. If you're someone who spends a lot of time coding or working late at night, switching to a dark mode can be much easier on the eyes. Plus, it can assist in reducing eye strain and even help conserve battery power on your device. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to the Replit homepage. So go ahead and open your web browser and type in replit.com to get there. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a clean and straightforward interface, which is great because it's designed to keep you focused on what's important, your coding projects. Now that you're on the homepage, take a look at the upper left corner of the screen. Here you'll find the drop-down menu icon. Click on it, and you'll see a variety of options related to your account and settings. This menu is your gateway to customizing how Replit looks and works for you. With the drop-down menu open, hover your cursor over the option labeled Theme. Don't click yet, just let your cursor rest there, and you'll notice a couple of icons appearing, among them a moon icon. This is the key to switching to dark mode. Simply click on the moon icon, and instantly your display will shift to a dark theme, providing a sleek and less straining environment for your coding tasks. If at any point you want to switch back to a lighter theme, it's just as straightforward. You'll find another option nearby in the same theme section. It's another highlight option, which when clicked will bring up a light bulb icon. Clicking on this will return your Replit interface to its bright original theme. This flexibility allows you to adjust your environment depending on your current needs or even the time of day. Switching between light and dark themes can be a simple yet effective way to personalize your coding experience. So if you're working late into the night or just prefer the aesthetics of a darker interface, now you know just how easy it is to make that change in Replit. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward guide to switching to dark mode on Replit. Remember, these personalization tweaks, though small, can significantly impact your overall comfort and productivity. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!